day at Animal Kingdom. So come with us for a day of fun. So it's another sunny day. Archie's got a cold, but he's carrying on. Drink. Pins. Drink is not. Andy, we've still not found a cocoa one. We've got the Rainforest Cafe to the left of the entrance.
Can I just close this one?
10 o'clock.
Oh, we're all right.
Yeah, the opening hours today are 10 o'clock. The Tree of Life.
Strange that, isn't it? That was a bit of a... What's the word?
So we've got our first fast pass for the Carly River Rapids, but we've not got that for a while, so we're going to have a look at the stores. We're going to go in this store, get a fuel rod swap, and oh, hang on. We have a stop. So now we're going to go and get that before we get the fuel rod swap. I can't say that.
So there it is. So
Archie doing his vlogging.
hey,
The wilderness must be explored. Nice job. Put your hands out like this. Cross them over to make a bird. And go. Nice job. And put up 2 big line paws. Go. Nice job, friend. You're officially a wilderness explorer. Here is your first badge. And I have an official uniform here. What I need you to do is go out and find your favorite animal today and learn a really cool fact about them. And then you can come back to us, you can earn your animal find badge.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
So we need to look for
Discovery Island.
Just going to show you this. I love these. Let's see how much this is for you. Oh, here we go. It is. Oh, it's $39.99, and I'm presuming that one's the same. I love those, but I don't like Star Wars.
These tag matches and their photographs compare numbers on their tags. That's how you earn the flamingo badge.
Oh, okay.
And again, we have the Incredibles. But where's the fuel rod? Oh, look at those. Oh, it's only $29.99. I like that.
Yeah. Take your time. If you have any questions.
Oh my god. If I was a little kid, $19.99. Mind you, I don't have to be a little kid, really. Crocs, $44.99. Oh my goodness me. Oh, he's nice. He's got lens. Look at that. found it. So. Okay. What happens now? Okay, I'll come back again. Right, we have to press the button first. We do.
Swap.
Oh,
You keep pressing cancel.
what did you do it then?
Right, try again. Come on. Search for a rod as shown. Put it barcode. Swap. Search for a rod.
Oh. How nice is that?
Mum,
$24.99. I really like that. Might come back and get that one. Wild About Adventure. I like that one, but that's not in my size. And then you've got all your plushies, and you've got your Archie Gamer TV or Fat Boy
Slash.
Vlogs,
that's all good.
who has now got an
Follow me
Instagram
on
page.
Instagram. Well, you have to
Pandora.
request.
There is actually another Pandora other than the charms that I like. Oh wow, look at those. I like that. Look at that, the back of that. Oh, right, I have to see how much that one is. Oh, $36.99. Why is that? Why is there such a big jump? What should you tell me?
What's these?
Look at this, a navi baby. Oh my gosh. $26.99. Oh, how amazing is he? Look. Let's see if Archie will put those on. Look at those, Archie. Maybe not. So we've got more Pandora stuff over on that side. So this is the first of Archie's Explorer.
That was the pictures taken. Oh, probably at that end.
Yeah,
But you go and speak to somebody, do you?
I can look at that.
Flamingos. They're not very pink, are they?
Flamingo badge.
Oh yeah? No. You get the flamingo badge here, aren't they?
wait. Is it in here? No, it's here. So,
Number the tag.
wait, green, that's green.
There you go.
235? Yeah.
Oh,
Do you need a pen?
Yeah.
and then speak to that lady.
So he's got to put the number of the tag on the
Yeah, select the
flamingo.
right picture. Is it more than one tag?
Yeah.
I can't read that.
I think that's the green one.
Oh, we got all of them. Look at the pictures. Oh, we got all of them. That's 2, 3, 4.
Do you tick that?
What are they doing? There.
That's the green one.
Good job, you guys.
Hi.
good thing. Well, we think. Is it just one of these we're looking for?
Yeah, so the really fun thing about this activity is that we don't have all those bands anymore. That's okay, because we're going to go ahead and look at what we found right here. Real birds with bands on them.
Right.
Yeah, super exciting. So we're looking at out here. They're called the lesser flamingos. They are the smaller versions of the greater flamingo, which is a different species, which is the one everyone's used to seeing.
Yeah.
These guys are a little paler pink, a little bit smaller. They also have all these bands on them. Why do we use those bands?
Why? Identify them.
To identify them, we want to know each individual. And if you notice, we have some bands on the right legs and some bands on the left. What do you think that indicates?
If they're left, male or female.
Exactly, it's male and female, yeah. So if it's banded on the left leg, it's actually a female, and if it's banded on the right, it's a male bird. That's how we can easily identify them from here. And it's helpful for me for when people are really like, is that a girl? And I'd be like, yes, it is. I can tell you that for sure. We do have one without a band. Who's over in the back corner. We know it's a girl because when she...
So I didn't vlog video it for long because I couldn't tell what she was saying, so I'm sure you couldn't. So we're checking out what they do at Tiffins.
Do you have any questions?
I think so.
Is that too expensive though? No, that's one of your well, there's all when you see people stood outside like that, you know it's
Yes.
and
A
it's
nomad
expensive
lounge.
one.
What happens in a nomad lounge?
Is it not that one? Let's have a look through the window. I think it's part of Tiffins. It's quite a nice little seating area outside. So we're now entering Pandora. This is apparently really, really nice at night when it's all lit up, so we might be able to see it later, you never know.
Here is this here where you get the botany badge? I think it is.
The botany badge. Oh look, there. So what do we do? Because there's that though.
The requirements. The Flasco tank that it is a plant on Pandora. How responds to touch. Some plants circle the. Oh, you have to find out which other plant responds to touch.
Well, we know that one, don't
Oh,
we?
the water comes out when you touch it. That's okay.
Venus flytrap that does that. Let's just do.
Oh, it's the study of something. What do you think it's the study of? Plants, exactly right. Yeah. So I have these really cool earth plants with me. Do you guys recognize any of them? Cactus, daisies, and Venus flytrap. Exactly right. Awesome job. So daisies, they're really awesome. There's an insect that really likes daisies. It goes buzz. What do you guys think it is? Bee, exactly right. So bees actually see an ultraviolet light, so the white color of the daisies make it super easy to see. That's pretty awesome, right? Even at night? Yeah. Do you guys like pizza? Yeah. Yeah, do you like ketchup?
Yeah.
Yeah. So bees are really awesome. They're actually one of the only insects that can pollinate tomatoes. So without bees, we wouldn't have pizza or ketchup. That's pretty crazy, right? And you're not. Yeah. So do you guys know you can go home and plant some flowers, and that way we always have bees for them to pollinate the flowers. So we always have pizza and ketchup.
No, you like ketchup?
Yeah, I like ketchup too. So just keep going straight, it'll be there. Yeah, I really love ketchup. I put ketchup on like everything. So you guys think you might go home and plant some flowers?
Yeah.
Awesome. Congratulations, guys. You just have become botanists. That's so awesome.
Oh. Yeah, another one.
All right, we'll try that again. There we go.
Yay, thank you. Wow. I think we really need to come back when it's getting dark here.
I remember this noise
from the movie. Come on, Ray.
And
I think we need to come back when it's getting darker later.
Avatar Flight of Passage.
Yeah, we can't get on that one. So let's go and look at the food place. Let's have a little look over here. The menu.
Alright, we'll meet you right there.
By the way, they've got a nice hand sanitizer outside. Wow, this is cool. Crispy fried toffee for Archie.
it's a crispy fried toffee.
Get your face painted over there. Or you can make yourself into an avatar, I think. That's pretty cool. I know, that is so cool. I saw that in the first store. How cute is that?
What it is?
It's one of the baby avatar things, isn't it? You can have your own tail, look.
Dad,
Oh,
can you hold can you put my book somewhere?
Yeah, I can put your book. Like I've got your map as well.
I've spotted something. Baby or Charlie Bear. How cute is that? And that is $21.99. $17.99.
I thought you meant the Carly River Rapids.
We've got that one first. That's our first one.
It'll make you
Avatar. I don't know.
How much is it?
I don't know. It's not
Why,
out
looks
there.
one with your face on it.
I'm so impressed with this. We're at
Yes,
the
flowers
Archie.
bloom in the rain because they love water. Exactly. So these are all good ways we can be good team players. So check out page 13 for me and see if you notice any good team players who work together out in the environment. Check out page 13. Yeah. Pick 2 of them who work together. Let's see if you can identify
These
any.
two.
Yeah.
Bees and
No,
fish. Do
bees
bees and
and
fish live
the-
together?
Bees and flowers.
Yes.
So do we need
flowers.
to draw?
So I heard a lot of bees and flowers, right?
No, it's
Yeah,
alright.
bees and flowers live together. What do bees do for my flowers?
Pollinate.
Pollinate.
Yeah. Yes. So my bees will pollinate my flowers, and then my bees will make honey. Do you like honey?
Yes.
The answer is yes. Honey is amazing. Exactly. So we get a lot. Sorry, what? That's okay. You don't have to like it. But we also get fruits and veggies from what our bees pollinate, right? Yeah. So that's one thing. Our bees are being good team players for us, so we want to be good team players for our bees. We can absolutely do that by planting flowers. So that does a lot. Exactly. Do you guys recognize any other team players on page 13? You know stuff about fish? Yeah. So I got my Finding Nemo reference, right? Have you guys seen Finding Nemo?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, very cool. I love it. So our clownfish is living in our sea anemone, right? Do you see him on the page there? Yeah. So our clownfish live inside the sea anemone. What does that give the clownfish? A home. Protection. Yeah, it's going to give them a home and some protection. What is the clownfish bringing to the sea anemone? What is the clownfish
Cleaning
doing?
it.
What?
Cleaning it.
Yeah, a clownfish can clean the sea anemone. So things that live underwater tend to grow algae, right? Yeah. So exactly, fish love plants underwater. Yeah, they might hide in the plants. Exactly. So that's how our clownfish is being protected in the sea anemone. He can hide inside of it. And our clownfish might eat all the algae that grows on the sea anemone. Very good. Do you guys recognize any other good team players? Think about it. We're talking about fish that eat algae. Yeah, so that blue fish, can anyone say what it's called? Yeah, it's a cichlid. Can you say cichlid? Cichlid is a freshwater fish. So he's going to be living in the freshwater that who else is living in on your page?
Hippo.
The hippo, exactly. And a hippo lives in water, so what is he growing on him? Algae. So our cichlid friend is like, what a meal! And he comes over and he eats all that algae up, right? And then what is our hippo getting?
Clean.
Clean! Yay! Exactly, so they live together. So my friends, what is left on this page that are living together?
Orchid. Trees and orchard.
So it's an orchid, is how it would be pronounced. You did good though, because it is a CH, and that's very confusing. But yeah, it's an orchid, and an orchid actually grows on a tree. So orchids are what we like to call epiphytes. Has anyone heard that word?
No.
Did you just nod yes?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. So epiphytes, can you say epiphyte? Epiphyte are really cool plants. It's a very small group of flowers, and these flowers do not need soil to grow. So most plants are growing with roots in the soil over here. Our epiphyte friends, like the orchid, can actually just grow using sunlight and the air nutrients that come from like rain and stuff like that blowing around. And if they needed anything extra, they could pull it from the tree. So yeah, they do not need soil. So our orchid is living in our tree, and that is how he is surviving. Very good. So we talked about a couple ways that nature are being teammates for each other. What are some more ways that we could be teammates for nature? What can we do? What else can we do?
Plant flowers.
Yeah, we can plant flowers. We mentioned that one. What else can we do? What are you holding in your hand right now?
Recycle.
Yeah, my friend called it. You can recycle, right? Use your 4 R's. Does anyone know what the 4 R's are?
Reuse. Recycle.
Ooh, he hit the 4th one. Yeah. So did you know that the R's actually go in order?
No.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
First, you reduce. If you can reduce what you use, awesome. If you can't reduce it, at least try and reuse something that you're using, right? If you can't reuse it, you should recycle it, right? Like paper. And if you cannot recycle it, at least try and replenish. We can always plant things to replenish. So they actually do go in order, which is something that's really cool. So practice your 4 R's. If you go up to anyone in orange, that's always the answer, the 4 R's. Good job, my friends. You did great. Thank you.
So we're going out from Pandora and into Africa.
Would be Black Panther.
So what did you think about Pandora? Granny Globs?
I thought it was quite nice. It's not the way they've done it. It's not the biggest. We haven't been on. We can't get on the what's it called? Flight of Passage. But we are going on the river, Navi River. Something later, so we shall report back on that one.
We
It's
will.
very nicely.
Look at the lilies. Lily pads.
And Archie's doing his badges, aren't you, Archie?
Yep.
Yeah, we've got a few badges up now. Yeah.
Yeah, we our count 1, 2.
There. So we'll get the clicker out. Click.
4, 5 badges.
Have you got 5 badges already?
Yeah.
Added in, please.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching, if indeed you still are.
Yeah, because you've got lots more to watch yet. So now we're in Africa. We've just passed the Festival of the Lion King. So this is the marketplace in Africa. Oh, look, I've seen one for my granny. Oh, hello. Now we need to find Glenn though. Oh, it's down there. We'll go and show him this. Which is the wrong size. But I found a t-shirt for you. It's the obligatory $24.99. And I do like that one as well. It says that rhinos are just chubby unicorns. And giraffic jam. I like that one. Oh, that's $29.95. I think that's because it's a fitted one. What do you think? Because I bet you that one's $24.99. Yeah, because that's not a fitted. That is more your fitted. Oh, look at that. That's a good mug. $13.99. Oh, me again, dear. Oh, that's quite sweet. That'll be a dear one. $36.99. That's nice, that. Oh, and look at the little bottles. Those are nice. $19.99. Plants. Haremli Wildlife Reserve. They're quite sweet, aren't they? So we're in Africa and we've just had a little break, a little sit down, and we decided to go.
We're not actually in Africa, we're in Animal Kingdom.
Yeah. Archie's had a chocolate chip cookie and we got a cinnamon roll, but I'm a bit disappointed because over like in the middle near to Kilimanjaro Safaros there's a hut and it sells fruit, and if I'd have seen that before I would have just got fruit. So just in case any of my fellow Weight Watchers are coming, I really suggest trying out the fruit. I'm going to have that for my lunch. So I'll have that for lunch instead of what the boys are having. I don't know what they're going to have. So just a quick of a heads up really. Never mind.
So have you been on the safari today?
Oh yeah, no.
Alright, what animals do you want to see when you go on the safari?
Probably like a giraffe.
Want to see a giraffe? Ooh, that's nice. So do you have your pencil with you?
Oh yes.
Alright. Right there. You can write giraffe on your perfect. And then just to learn a little bit of a big fun fact about giraffes, they would have several trees, snake
I'm sorry, I can't hear her, so I'm sure you won't. Oh, so close. So I'm sure you won't. Gorilla Falls Exploration Trail School and Sanctuary. No. Do you remember what it was called? Code Y? Really? Termite hill. That's a termite hill. Oh. Trail marker. Beware of the buffalo. There's an amazing smell here. Some sort of plant, but I can't find the flower.
It might be up there.
I wish we had smelly vision because it is so beautiful. We can't find trail marker.
White.
Black and white. Please, no eating bananas. You can eat everything else, just no eating bananas. Here you go, what's this one? Trail marker 5.
There's no questions on 4, 5,
Okay, so
6,
what's the point of those
7
then?
and 8, I don't know.
What's the point in them?
The last question.
Bunks.
Do you have the living colonies exactly?
Snake, I think. Oh no, it's
It's a turtle.
having a sleep, I think.
His hat. Oh, doing a bunch. Oh my god, what's that? These are blind rats. Wine wraps. When it means clothes, like, you know, it is in Disney.
Naked. These bowls are naked. Put some clothes on. Children.
Flamboyant flowering beetle. Flamboyant beetle flowering beetle.
The naked bowls.
Okay, I've lost him.
Oh, is it easy? Is that a dead bug? It looks a bit dead.
And look at the little insects on the left.
Look at that bad boy.
Oh, look at it.
Wow.
That's how I'll be at the end of this
He looks like he's
holiday.
been somebody sat on him, doesn't he? It's not normally that.
Ground to stick out on the dirt. So you got this black light on, you turned it out. And you can see
Young
that
people.
Skeletons, scorpions in its shed. About 3 foot on center, everywhere we look.
So they're over here.
Rainwater.
The Tree of Life, a nice little view from it there. We're going over to Asia now, so we can go and do our Kali River Rapids. We've just done the gorilla walk, that was good. Hi, we're in the line for Kali River Rapids. This is the last time you'll see us. Well, partially dry. Oh my god, me and Archie were the ones that got absolutely soaking wet through. Archie's gone in to get changed because he's wet through as well with a cold, not good. But it's cooled us off, we're okay. So onwards and upwards. So as a tip, because last time we were here on River Rapids, there was a basin in the middle of the boat thing that you could stow your bags. There isn't there now, so you have to, well you can do, you get a locker. And the lockers are standard is 3, large is 4. So I would say get a locker. So the boys are going to have some lunch we're in Asia and we're at the snack bar. And you're having chips and rice, aren't you?
Yep.
And Glenn's having honey chicken, I think. I'm going to have my fruit presently and have a drink here.
Professional weight.
Well, not really. My weight has gone up.
To gold.
I got to gold, my gold membership, and this holiday up to now I've put on about £8. So a line has to be crossed, a new start. And I will still have treats, but I'm going to start being good. Not eat a family bag of crisps over the 2 nights. That's not a good thing to do.
Did you do that?
Yeah, 2 nights, yeah. So Archie's got changed we've got very wet. My bummy's still wet.
We actually were the first drop we got soaked.
Yeah, because we were at the back. If you get on the boat and you're at the back going up the hill, you're gonna get wet, and we got wet. My butt is still wet. My top feels like it's just come out of the washing machine, and my shorts are sticking to me.
At least I got changed.
Yeah, I did bring a change of clothes for Archie. No towel, but a change of clothes. So we'll have to remember to redo that. So we've done a couple of tips today. I'm going to try and do as many tips as we can because it's better to know. That's not my stuff. So yeah, we'll see what else we can do for you. And in the meantime, we'll go and have, well, this one here will have his lunch. We'll see you on the other side.
There's any salt on that Archie chest.
I don't think there is any.
Did Mama not get the salt?
We've got a gnarly river adventure. I think that's what it's called. So we've got the fast pass, we're in the entrance to it. So let's turn you round. Bye. So now we're in Adventureland, going off over to Dino Land. I've just had my fruit.
This Discovery Island.
About a 5 to 10 minute wait right now.
We'll come back later for that.
It's near, it's tough to be a book. There's the tree.
And now we're going into It's Tough to Be a Book. On our way to be a book. So we're at Dino Land. Archie's going to do a wilderness explorer. We're all getting tired. It's getting towards that sort of time where you go, oh. But we've got a fast pass for Kilimanjaro safaris at 6:25. So after this, we're going to head on over there. Yeah.
Live that long, right? Now let's check out some teeth over here. So our T-Rex, what do you know about his teeth? Are they very smooth? They're pretty pointy, right? So what do you think he eats? Meat, right? What's that called when they only eat meat? A carnivore. And what about, we're meat? Let's probably we can run into some vegetables, right? Now this guy's got our teeth. What do you think he eats? Plants, what's that called? Carnivore and a not quite a penguin? No, a pterodactyl, right? Do we know any animals that are waddling around here? You might mention them.
Just a little heads up that we went on It's Tough to Be a Bug, and there was little tiny children that were really upset about it because they've got a big ant and big spiders. But I'm not going to spoil anything by saying that, but just to be aware that if you've got small children they might get quite scared.
Here on the reserve. Just make sure though that they do stay fully and completely seated on that lap and that lap only. Please don't hold them up in the air or on your lap or pass them around to see the animals. Now,
So it's quite dark, but we're taking you through to Pandora because it looks so nice.
Okay, let's go.
Hi, so we've come into Dinosaurus, the restaurant. We're going to have some food and then maybe go on Dino World and then head off. So we hope you've enjoyed coming around Animal Kingdom with us today, and we'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow. For now, bye!